there, welcome to my channel Beautiful You. This video is about a simple geometric nail art which is very easy to do and you can do it all by yourself on both your hands. All you need is a white nail polish that will be used as a base coat, 3 to 4 colorful nail polishes, a thin nail art brush, a nail art tape and little bit of patience to do this beautiful art on your nails. So let's get started. First of all, apply white nail polish and let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Cut small strips of nail art tape. Now one by one, place the strips diagonally in one direction over the nail. Now place the strips diagonally in opposite direction, forming crisscross sort of pattern. Now that the outline for the design is complete, we are going to fill in this pattern with colored nail polishes. But before that, pour some drops of each polish onto some plastic sheet just to prevent the drying out of nail polish bottle by keeping them open for a long time. With the help of thin nail art brush, fill some diamond boxes with one color. Clean the brush with the tissue paper before filling in the next color, and this way fill all the boxes with different colors. Now one by one, peel off the nail art strips, revealing a beautiful geometric pattern. Here, in order to speed up the whole process, I have put strips on all my nails. I'm then going to finish filling one color on all nails and then start filling another color. This process will take less time as compared to the one in which you do each nail individually and then move on to the next nail. When you have finished filling in the colors, then peel off the strips. This nail art is simple, yet it looks very sophisticated, giving your hands an extraordinary look. Hope you liked the video and thanks for dropping by.